where you would normally turn left to go into the old town, but we're going to turn right today and take you along the beach road and show you the cycle path and the shingle walk.
Who'd have thought Zadar had a beach? Well, it does have. If you're walking from the road to the gate, turn left. If you're coming round the beach to the gate, turn right.
If you walk along the sea past the old town, there's a boardwalk which will take you past a swimming pool and a promenade which is for sunbathing, and there are steps down into the sea if you're brave. It's cold. This is Beach. You can rent out Pedellos and kayaks. There are plenty of little cafes along the way, but they only take cash. There are ATM machines just up on the road. So here's the ATM and it's just up from the beach, but the cafe's on Long Front. If you want to do the beach walk, you get off the shuttle bus, walk round by the sea, and instead of turning left and going into the town, you turn right and keep going along the shoreline. If you take a cycle on the cycle path, you'll probably get a lot further than we did walking. So here's where you hire your bikes, and there's lots of them. The great thing about electric bikes is it takes the effort out of walking. It's very pebbly, so walking in the sea can be difficult. It might be a good idea to invest in some of those water shoes. It seems never ending. If you prefer walking on firmer ground, you can just take the road. These are little changing huts, and you can hire a sunbed for €7 and you get an umbrella. This really is a different side to Zadar. If you're looking for a sandy beach, then Sakharoon Beach is the best beach, but it's a 4-hour boat trip away, and this is where you get your trips, but maybe not for cruises because it's 8 hours travelling. If you've enjoyed this film on Zadar Beach, we also have a film on Zadar Old Town, along with Dubrovnik, Split, and other places in Croatia.
So just like Athens, Zadar has a beach. And if you want to see the old town, Doris Visits has a guide of the old town. In fact, on Doris Visits channel on YouTube, we have over 500 cruise port guides. Please do join us. Like and subscribe really helps us. Thanks very much for watching and enjoy your cruise.
There's two ships in Split today, the MSC Symphonia and the P&O Azura. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Guess where we are? We're in Split. And if you want to pick up the free walking tour, it's up here. So we found the free Spirit walking tour. Free. You just give a tip at the end. So this massive statue behind me is Gregory of Nîmes, and you're supposed to rub his toe for luck. The special thing about this palace is that people actually live here and have been for about 1500 years. This area is the killing zone. We saw it in Troy. These substructures or basements were where they filmed the places where the dragons were kept in Game of Thrones.